Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson on bite-sized math made easy. Today we're going to move away from fractions and learn about something new, that is place value and digit value. Okay, so what are place values? Place value relates to the name of the place where a digit is located within a number. So let's look at an example. Okay, so this represents a 4-digit number. Okay, I'm just using XXXX. All right, in a 4-digit number, the first number can be any number between 1 and 9. All right, it cannot be 0, because if it's 0, then it wouldn't be a 4-digit number. All right, so the other three numbers can be any number between 0 and 9. So place value relates to the name of the location a digit is within a number. All right, for example, the first digit or the rightmost digit of a 4-digit number, well, the place value is ones, and the second number, we call it tens. All right, it's in the tens column, or the place value is tens. The third number, or the third number from the right, the place value is hundreds. And for a 4-digit number, the fourth number, okay, or the leftmost number, the place value is called thousands. Okay, so place value relates to the name of the location where the digit is placed within a number. So it goes from right to left: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, we're looking at this number 1583, a 4-digit number. Okay, the first digit, the rightmost digit, the place value of this number is ones. The second digit, 8, the place value of this number is called tens. The third number is 5. The place value is called hundreds. Lastly, 1, the place value for this number is thousands. All right, you will notice that there's an S at the end of every place value. It's not 1, 10, 100, 1000. It's ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Before we move on to digit value, let's look at the answers of the previous worksheet, worksheet 008. Okay, these are the answers to question number 1, answers to question number 2, number 3, number 4, answers to question number 5, number 6, and number 7. All right, hope you got all the answers correct. If you have problems finding the answers to some of these questions, let me know in the comments section below. Okay, we have an understanding of place value. Now let us look at digit value. So what are digit values? Digit value is value of a digit within a number that is based on its place value. Okay, I've got a representation of a 4-digit number here, represented by y. We learned just now that the first y, the place value is ones, followed by tens, hundreds, and thousands. So what's a digit value? Let's look at the first one. The value of this digit will be this digit multiplied with 1, since it is in the ones column. And for the second number, value of that digit will be multiplied with 10. See, since the number is located within the tens column. The third number is in the hundreds place value. So it's that digit value. Multiply it by 100. That will give you the digit value. And for the fourth one is that digit. Multiply it by 1000, since it is in the thousands place, to get the digit value. Let's look at an example. Okay, we got a number 3715. All right, and the place value, 5 is in the ones, 1 is in the tens, 7 is in the hundreds, and 3 is in the thousands. That's the place value. So what's the digit value for each of this number? Let's do the first one. Since it is in the ones column, the digit value will be 5. This digit, multiply it with 1. You get 5. That's the value of this digit. What about the second one, number 1? 1, since it is in the tens column, you take that 1, multiply that with 10, you get 10. So the value of this digit in this number is 10. Okay. The third one, 7, is in the hundreds place, right? So you take that digit 7 and multiply that with 100. You get 700. So the value of the digit 7 in this number is 700. Let's look at the last one. It's the fourth number, right? It's in the thousands place, or the thousands column. So the value of the digit is 3. You multiply that with 1000, you get 3000, which is the value of this digit 3 in this number 3715. As you can see, digit values are all numbers, right? And you will also notice that except for the first one, all the other digit values are all multiples of 10. All right? Whereas the place value are words, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, we can use digit value to help us write the number in words. So we write numbers from left to right. Okay, so we do the thousands first. 3000, we write it 3000. Go from left to right. So the next is 100, right? So we got 700, we write that 700. And after 100, we have to look at this together, not separate. Okay, so 10 and 5 is 15, right? We don't pronounce it 3710.5. The last two values, we say them together by adding them up. So 10 and 5 is 15. All right, or we just read the number as it is here, 15. Okay, all right, so we write the number or say it like this: 3715. Okay, this is the American way of saying or writing a number. The British way is slightly different. All you have to do is add an n after the 100. Okay, so you say 3715. Okay, we can also use digit value to partition a number or expand a number. All right, so the same number 3715, if you were to partition it or expand it, you can use the digit values. All right, so 3000 goes as a first partition, 700 second partition, 10 third partition, and 5 the last partition, right? So to expand or partition this number, this 4-digit number, 3715 will be 3000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so that's the lesson on place value and digit value. As usual, I'm going to provide you a worksheet for you to practice what you have learned. And as usual, the answers will be presented in my next video. Okay, so this is worksheet 009. Question number 1. Question number 2. Questions number 3 and 4. Question number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And finally, number 8. Okay, that's my lesson for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.